it mute and dumb. I won't do anything to her. Won't hit you. What block are you from?
She's from another country.
Yeah, maybe she doesn't understand us at all.
Screw her. My papa always says, people from other countries should learn Serbian right away if they don't want any trouble.
Do you speak Serbian? Do you understand me?
She's